all set to explore city number 2, that is St. Petersburg. We are checked in and waiting for our flight. It's at around 10:30. We have decided to take an early morning flight so that we can reach the hotel before or during the check-in timing, which is generally 2 o'clock in most of the places in Russia. Yeah. Welcome to the city, guys. So we took a bus, airport shuttle from the airport, and then few metros, and finally we are here where our hotel is. And but उसके पहले थोड़ा सा पेट पूजा because we did not eat anything since morning. तो हम खाने में थोड़ा सा लिया है कॉफ़ी एंड कचौड़ियाँ, सेंट पीटर्सबर्ग की रशियन कचौड़ियाँ. We have actually reached to our hotel. It's in the very main area. It's just next to the main street. Let me show you around my room. I am right now at the 4th floor, and the system is very automatic. I have to just press this green button in here, and then it will be unlocked. And now I'm going to show you the inside. Hello. So ये है छोटा सा kitchen, ये है छोटा सा dining area, and this is our bathroom, and this is our bedroom and balcony view. Wow. We are finally out. It's 4 o'clock in the evening, and the city has already gained its evening vibe. So, and the best part today is that the weather has been very lovely, bit sunny and chilly, but not rainy. So we have like ample amount of time today to see the city, see the place, get the feel of it. So right now we are at the most touristic place in St. Petersburg, which is called Savior on Spilled Blood. And the structure of this monument is almost similar to the one we were in Moscow, which is St. Basil's Cathedral. And yeah, it's very huge in the size, and but the colors are not that vivid as the one in Moscow's, but still it's very pretty, very pretty. We are inside a convenience store today, and we wanted to buy a few vegetables for the pasta that we're planning to make tomorrow, and some wine also. So we're gonna try a French wine in here, and Raka is doing thoda sa sabziyon ka shopping for for pasta, because I guess out of we two, she is a better cook. Okay, that we'll see tomorrow. But okay, I'm gonna give her the credits for a better pasta. And हम एकदम भिखारियों जैसे एक एक प्याज और एक टमाटर ले रहे हैं, क्योंकि उससे ज़्यादा हम वेस्ट हो जाएगा.
गाजर तो पूरा ही ले सकते हैं, गाजर डालना है. हाँ, वो तो मतलब ऐसे भी खाने में चलते हैं.
हाँ हाँ हाँ, वो तो अपन खा भी सकते हैं. एक छोटा सा कोई पीस उठा लो. हाँ हाँ,
ये काला तरह
वो दूसरे वाले पे. समझाने में इतना ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं होता है इन लोगों को. यू कैन जस्ट ओपन अप गूगल ट्रांसलेटर एंड मेक देम अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट यू आर ट्राइंग टू से. एंड हम लोगों ने शाम के चखने का भी इंतज़ाम करके रखा है. फिंगर्स, प्याज, टमाटर. सी. तो आज की साइट सीइंग के बाद वी आर बैक टू आवर होम B&B, and we have actually bought one very nice wine from Supermart, and Raka is trying to open because it has a cork in it. And pehli wine of the trip we are having at home. Nice. Cool. Good morning. रात को सोए थे कुछ 2-2:30 के आसपास, दारू पीकर और बहुत कुछ बतिया शतिया कर, कॉलेज डेज याद करके। एंड सुबह उठ गए हम लोग 6-6:30-7 बजे के आसपास, और लवली सनराइज टाइम टुडे। और फाइनली थोड़ा सन बाहर निकला हुआ है, मस्त सनराइज हुआ है, तो वी आर प्लानिंग टू गो फॉर अ मॉर्निंग वॉक। देखो फाइनली सन दिख रहा है यहाँ पर। 7:30 in the morning, and since there was a proper sunrise happening, we thought of going for a morning walk today, and finally getting to see the sun. It feels so good. It feels so surreal that I missed you son so much. We decided to make pasta today at home. तो उसके लिए हम लोगों ने कल सारा जितना भी इंग्रेडिएंट्स हमें मिला था हमने खरीद लिया था। सो टोमेटोज आर कट,
जितना हम समझा पाए थे लोगों
जितना हम समझा पाए थे शॉप्स में, एंड प्याज भी कट हो गया है। थोड़ा सा कैरेट को बॉईल करके हम लोगों ने अब उसको पतला पतला पीसेस में कट कर रहे हैं, और पास्ता इज बॉइल्ड टू। और बस अब राका द शेफ इज गोइंग टू show her talent.
First time in my life I'm being called chef.
Okay. तो ठीक है, इतना क्यूट सा किचन मिला है तो आज इसको यूटिलाइज करना बनता है। तो लेट्स सी, बताते हैं। Day 5th of our Russia trip, and the sun is lovely today. The weather itself is lovely today, and we are out and we're going to explore another touristic destination in Petersburg. So this is the way to our nearest metro station. वहीं जा रहे हैं अभी. We're going to take a metro. You get a coin-shaped ticket for the metros, and you have to just, when you enter inside a metro station, like for catching the train, you just put the coin inside. While exiting, you don't need the coin, the ticket, like it happens in India. Okay, and another thing is there are around 3 metro lines: blue, red, and orange. And the connectivity is not that wide across the whole city, but it's still doable because there are other modes of commute here. But the metro stations are very, very emperor sort of building, so it's a one of a kind experience. You should definitely try going to metro when you are in Russia. हमने basically plan किया था to visit Peterhof, which is around 60 kilometers from Petersburg city center, and हमें मुश्किल से जाकर एक बस मिली, mini bus towards it. It's gonna take around 40 to 50 minutes, and it's situated in the outskirts of the city. So ठीक है, if the day is sunny like this, we will be able to reach back home in time. See. Day 5th or 6th in St. Petersburg, and we are leaving the city today. We are going to explore another place in Russia, which is very on the northern side. So yeah, going to catch the flight soon. And again, a very lovely day in here, Petersburg.